guys. So yes guys, this is Shireen Salaby with the weather report in Jersey. Right now in Jersey, the snowstorm is really, cause look, this is where I stand. This is where I stand. The snow is actually at my knees. So guys, the snow, I don't know about the snow in New York, but the snowstorm in Jersey, I don't how much feet this is, I don't even know, but it is really bad guys. It is really bad today in Jersey, and today is Friday, so let's see what, as I said, the snow is gonna stop today at 7 o'clock. It started from last night, Friday night, and today is Saturday morning right now guys. So guys, the snow the snowstorm is really bad in Jersey right now. So guys, I'm just gonna walk around so you could see and what is going on with the weather report from Shireen Salaby. So yes guys, so Salaby is covering Jersey weather report today, Saturday guys. I'm not lying to you guys, the weather is bad. I am so cold. It is freezing out here in Jersey, but it's so awesome. I love the snow guys. So guess what, you guys come with me and check it out and see what is going on in Jersey today. Yes. This is a weather report, woman, you're not easy. So which way you want us to go? So guys, I'm not lying to you guys, the snow is really bad today. It is the first I ever seen snow like this. Yeah, it's the first. I'm not lying to you, it's the first, but I'm not lying to you, the snowstorm, I have never witnessed a snowstorm in New York. So guys, every time I walk, I stuck in something. So guys, this is it guys. Guys, I've been out here this morning already, and when I come out, all these parts I went through and it's filled up. So guys, I'm not lying to you. Oh my god, look, I'm at a part right now. Guys, look, this is my knee, and I'm 5'6" guys, so this is my knee. So you know the snow is really, the snow is bad in Jersey. So guys, this is Shireen Salaby with the weather report in Jersey. They want to go for you. It's a weather woman. And I know how much feet the snow there. So yes guys, I'm not lying to you. This is bad. It is bad. You know, I heard that the tractor, the snowman, there was like paving the snow from last night to this morning, and the more they pave the road fill up back again. But I think the guys them are doing a good job on the road in Jersey. Trust me, they are, make sure they clean it up. They're making parts for the cars them to go out, so they're doing a good job. But as they do it, it's basically filled up again. So yes guys, I don't even know what I call them, but you guys know. Yeah, they're doing a good job. I haven't seen them yet. I'm just looking if I seen them, because I'm making a report on them. I'm making a report on them as well. But right now guys, look, it is so dark. You can hardly see stuff. Well, I hope I can find my way to get back. It is really dark here. So guys, I'm just going to take a stroll and see what is going on. And basically there's a truck park here. I guess he didn't ready to come out yet. There's two trucks here. They were paving. So I'm not lying to you guys, the place is dark. It is really bad down here in Jersey. Oh my lord, the snow is really bad guys. You guys have to see over there. Over there is like, oh my god. Woo! So let's see, because I am the one who covering the weather. I am the one who covering the weather report today. So let's see how far this further is. It's not really that bad. So yes guys, I'm just in Jersey covering the weather report here, and it is really bad in Jersey guys. The weather is bad here. Guys, people can't come out their house, they have to stay inside because it's so bad with the snow. Jersey. So guys, yes, you don't know, say we're gonna walk out and see, and I'm basically at the park. You know, today kids like to come out and play. Nobody can come out their house today. No one can come out because the weather is really bad here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Guys, look right here. Oh my lord, oh my lord, it's a lucky thing Styler B is guys here. I'm not lying to you, there are persons are stuck in the snow right now. It is really bad in the snow, guys. Seriously, it is bad. The snow is bad right here out in Jersey, guys. Oh my lord. Right now I'm into the park. I don't remember the name of this park, but look, it is filled with snow. Oh my god, it is bad in Jersey. The weather in Jersey, it is, I'm lost. I don't know where I'm going. So yes guys, and this is Sherry and Salaby signing out a bit and come back with the weather report. Oh no. So guys, this is Sherry and Styler coming back again with the weather report. Oh my god, this weather in Jersey is really bad right now in Jersey. I'm not lying to you. There's a lot of car that's stuck here, but I have to go back and I'm gonna show you guys what is going on in Jersey right now. The wind is like, oh my god, I have never witnessed anything like this in Jersey, but I'm not lying to you guys, it is the weather. I'm telling you guys, stay inside. Do not come outside if you don't have any reason to come outside, because the snow is really bad in Jersey. So guys, stay inside. I hope you have food and stuff to eat. Keep yourself warm inside, guys. Don't come outside, stay inside. Weather report, Sherry and Salaby is out, and I'm begging you guys, stay inside. But if you ask me why I do outside. Right now, I'm trying to get to a little girl right now. I'm trying to go pick up a little girl to go in this from her house because she want to go by her grandmother. So I'm trying to see if I could go and put her on my back. But basically, guys, I can't even find the house. It's really bad down there. I'm so scared. Yeah, I'm so scared right now to go for her. And I have to go basically 2 more blocks for the little girl. I don't think I can make it. I really don't think I can make it. Seriously, I can't. I think I'm gonna lose. I'm so scared, to be honest. The way how the snow look down there, guys, look. I am really scared to go, so I ain't going, I'm going back. I'm scared. I'm really scared, guys. So guys, right now there's a lot of people inside just looking outside and asking themselves how long this snowstorm is going to take, when it's going to end. That is the question they're asking me right now. When this go ahead, sir. So yes guys, what they're asking, what the people are asking me right now, when it's going to stop, because I said I'm the weather, I'm Sherry Salaby, the weather reporter. Well, I have no idea the way how it's look. I think it's gonna continue until tomorrow because it's really bad. I don't know how long. Go sir, don't mind me. Go ahead. I'm just a crazy person. Go ahead. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. So yes, guys, there's a lot of person is asking me. I'm back again. There's a lot of person is asking me when the storm is going to end. But guys, I have no idea because the way how it is right now, it seems like it's getting better and better, and the storm is pushing in. The storm is coming in, guys. The snowstorm, as you can see, it is getting really bad. So I don't know when it's going to end. Maybe it end back, maybe it go back to tomorrow, Sunday into tomorrow, or late tonight, Saturday night. I don't know, guys, but all I'm saying to you guys, stay inside, keep yourself warm, don't come outside. If you guys need anything outside, you can call Cherise Dalaby because she's on the road reporting the weather. Yes, guys, I know my number.